Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start. Today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture 10. In this lecture, we learn about the molecular orbital energy level diagram of Li2 molecule. So, Li2 molecule or lithium molecule is present in the second row element in the periodic table. This Li2 molecule consists of two lithium atoms and in every lithium atom three electrons present. This molecular orbital energy level diagram we see systematically in six different stages. So in that, first stage is electronic configuration of lithium atom. So lithium atom contains three electrons and its electronic configuration is written, that is 1s2 2s1. So in this 1s2 and 2s1, 1s orbital is lower energy. So it does not take part in the bonding. Thus, that 1s orbitals remains as a non-bonding. So only 2s orbitals with its one electron takes part in the bonding. So in the lithium molecule, there are two atomic orbitals, that is 2s1 of first atom and 2s1 of the second atom. It combines and forms two molecular orbital, in that one is sigma and other is sigma star. There are two electrons and that both the electrons are filled in the lower energy bonding orbital, that is sigma. Now we see the how that molecular orbital energy level diagram is drawn. So in the lithium molecule there is 2s orbital and 2p orbitals present. In that 2s orbital contains one electron and 2p orbital not contains any electron. In the second lithium atom, 2s orbital contains one electron and 2p orbital is empty. So we show the diagram by combination of 2s and 2p atomic orbitals of both lithium atom in this way. So in this diagram, we see that this 2s orbital of first atom and 2s orbital of second atom, when its wave functions are same, then there is formation of bonding molecular orbital sigma 2s. So this sigma 2s is formed by combination of two atomic orbitals of 2s when its wave functions are same. So when wave functions of these two atomic orbitals are different, then at that time there is repulsion and it forms anti-bonding molecular orbitals which have higher energy, and that orbital name is sigma star 2s. So by combination of 2s and other atoms 2s, two molecular orbitals form, that is sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. Now in case of the p orbital combinations, here px of the first atom and px of second atom, it forms sigma 2px. And this sigma 2px and pi orbital, its energy is different. So this sigma star 2s and sigma 2px, they have close with each other, so they are repelled. So in the first point, already we have discussed that sigma 2px orbitals are repelled and it acquires higher energy than the pi py and pi pz. Now the other energy orbitals formed in this case is similar, and that is already we discussed in the diagram in the previous lecture, that is molecular orbital diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules. And in that homonuclear diatomic molecule diagram, we have seen two types of diagram. That is, one diagram is general diagram. In that general diagram, the general electron configurations are filled. And other diagram, in that diagram, first atom and second atoms interaction is possible. And in that diagram, we have seen for lithium, the interaction between first atom's s orbital and second atom's p orbitals are possible. And when these interactions are possible, then this first atom's s orbital and second atom's px orbital combines. So we see how this form. You see here this 2s orbital of first lithium atom and second atom's px orbital. It combines and it forms sigma 2px. So how it is shown? So this 2s and this 2p, when it combines, then it draw in this way. So this is the dashed lines. These are the dashed lines, and by combination of this sigma 2px molecular orbital is formed. Now, if we consider in opposite way, this 2s atomic orbital of second atom and 2px atomic orbital of first atom, then by combination of these, here this orbital, same orbital is formed. So you see, this is the dashed lines we show in this way. We can show this in this way, this orbital and these orbitals. So these are the lines, and this is for first s orbital and this second s orbital. Now, in case of the px orbital, when there is anti-bonding, we see these 2s orbitals and these 2py orbitals. When they forms anti-bonding, then these anti-bonding orbitals are formed. Now this second atom's 2s orbital and first atom's 2px orbital, it forms anti-bonding molecular orbital in this way. So in this way, we can show the diagram. In this diagram, we show these lines. These lines have particular meaning, and according to that, we draw the dashed lines for the interaction between first atom's s orbital and second atom's px atomic orbital. And when we show this interaction properly, then that is the correct diagram. So this is the molecular orbital energy level diagram for lithium molecule. Now we see how electrons filled in this. So in first lithium atom, in 2s orbital 1 electron is present. In second lithium atom, 2s contains 1 electron. So total number of electrons present in the lithium atomic orbital is 2. that electrons filled in the molecular orbital from lower energy to higher energy. But only here two electrons filled, and so these two electrons filled in the sigma 2s molecular orbital and other orbitals remains empty. So this is the pictorial representation of lithium molecular orbital diagram. Now from this diagram, we write the molecular orbital electronic configuration. So in case of the molecular orbital electronic configuration of lithium, when we see this electronic configuration, then in that 1s2 non-bonding orbitals present, and these orbitals shown by the letter K. In case of the lithium molecules, two atomic orbitals present and it combines with each other and forms two molecular orbitals, that is sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. So instead of writing that sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2, we write simply K for each molecular orbital. So there are two molecular orbitals, and for that two molecular orbitals we repeat the K and we write K two times, and from that we write the electronic configuration of lithium molecule as KK sigma 2s2. So this is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of lithium molecule. After writing the electronic configuration, we see the fourth point in the presentation of molecular orbital diagram is the energy evolved in that lithium molecule. In the lithium molecule, the energy evolved is calculated by simple formula, and for that purpose there is formula energy evolved is equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals into plus beta. By putting the values of number of electron in each molecular orbital, we get the equation. So in the bonding molecular orbital, 2 electrons are filled. So we write 2 into minus beta. In antibonding molecular orbitals, there is not any electron. So we write 0 into plus beta. By calculation, we get the value minus 2 beta. So minus 2 beta is energy evolved in Li2 molecule, and this is the stabilization energy for Li2 molecule. And we say that this Li2 molecule is stable because it evolves minus 2 beta energy. Now, fifth point is bond order. So bond order means the number of bonds between the two atoms, that is called as bond order. So bond order for the Li2 molecule we can calculate by simple formula, that is bond order is equal to 1 half into number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So we add again the number of electron in this equation. So in bonding 2 electrons present, in anti-bonding 0 electrons present. So by solving this we get the bond order value 1. So bond order is 1 means in between two lithium atom there is one bond, that is Li dash Li, means in between lithium one sigma bond is present and this molecule is stable molecule. The sixth property for explaining the formation of this molecular orbital diagram, that is magnetic property. So lithium molecule is dimagnetic because in lithium molecule 2 electrons present in the bonding molecular orbitals. In anti-bonding there is not any unpaired electron, so both electrons are paired. any unpaired electron is not present, and because of that Li2 molecule shows diamagnetic property. When there is any unpaired electron, then it shows paramagnetic property. But Li2 molecule contains all electrons paired, so it shows diamagnetic property. Now we see the comparison of hydrogen molecule and Li2 molecule. Because hydrogen molecule is present in the first row of the periodic table and Li2 molecule is present in the second row in the periodic table. So what is the difference between that two? In hydrogen molecule and in lithium molecule, both contains single bond, that is sigma bond. But in case of that hydrogen molecule and lithium molecule, bond length is different. So in hydrogen molecule, bond length is 0.74 degree angstrom, and in lithium molecule, bond length is 2.67 degree angstrom. So if we compare this bond length, then in hydrogen molecule bond length is less. In lithium molecule bond length is higher, and this is automatically due to their positions, because hydrogen is present in the first row, and in first row only one shell, that is 1s, is present. In lithium the 1s and 2s both shells present, so lithium molecule bond length is larger, and this bond length also affect on the stability of that molecule. So automatically when there is less bond length, then both atoms are close with each other. In case of the lithium, bond length is more, so both atoms are some away from each other, and because of this bond energy of lithium molecule is less than hydrogen molecule, because 2s and 2p orbitals of lithium atom are much larger and more diffuse than the 1s orbital of hydrogen. So they tend to overlap less effectively and at a greater internuclear distance than in case of the 1s orbital of hydrogen. The 1s electron of lithium cause a repulsion between the atoms, which loses the closer approach of the atom. Due to these two reasons, bond length of lithium molecule is more than the hydrogen molecule, and bond energy of lithium molecule is less than the hydrogen molecule. So simply we say that hydrogen molecule is more stable, more energy than the lithium molecule. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.